Hey everyone, I'm going to be unboxing the wireless lavalier microphone. So basically it's just when if you want to record something, there's a microphone, stick it into the bottom of your phone, so it could be an iPhone or an Android. It looks like it's an Android for this one, even though I do have an iPhone. I got mixed up. I bought it on Temu, so just be careful with that when looking, make sure there's an iPhone one. And so basically I'll unbox this and just show you what it looks like. So here's the microphone, pretty nice microphone. Button there, I presume, to press when you're recording. Little clip, so you can just clip it to your, like you can clip it to your shirt. It's going to be underneath your shirt. The microphone will be right underneath you. It's going to be, you're recording to your phone to be far away. So basically there, that goes on into the phone like that. Like in the photo here. Bottom of the phone looks like, yeah, it's an Android one. Microphone goes underneath your mouth, so you put the microphone underneath your mouth, and then you can talk there. Then, and then you'll be able to just, you could be far away from the phone, the audio will be clear as day for you anyway. And then as well, you're going to want to charge this up, so you've got a charger with it. So I'm just going to undo this here. So this basically just goes in here to charge up the microphone, just so it's make sure it's fully charged when you're using it if you're making a YouTube video, or you're also making it just depends what video, it could be any video you're making. If you're not near the phone or the camera, it's very helpful. So yeah, charge up to the fullest there. When it's done, use a clip, turn it on, and there's an app, I'm pretty sure, so you'd have to look for the app just to be able to connect to it and just record basically. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you enjoy.